How to remove gamma watermark from PPT. Now, whenever you try to export from the gamma, there is a toggle that says hide made with gamma batch. So for that, you need to pay for it in order to remove that if you want to turn this toggle on. But if you want to continue without paying for it, then here is a trick. First of all, you have to export to PowerPoint. So you have to download this PowerPoint project, and once you have downloaded or exported that, now you have to open up new tab and open up Canva. Once you have opened Canva, make sure that you're logged in. Now from here you have to go to presentation and click on here. After that, click on file from the top left corner and click on upload files. From here, click on upload files. Now you have to upload this PPT which you have exported recently from Gamma. Click on it or select it and then click on open. Now once you have done that, click on projects from this menu bar on your left hand side. Once you're here, you can view these PPT that you have recently imported or uploaded to your Canva. Now once you search from here, click on this three dot icon, and from this drop down box, click on open in a new tab. Now once you're here, you have to look for the watermark. So go through each slide and there you can find this watermark. All you have to do is click on it and then simply delete it. Now you have to do the same with all the other slides as well. Go to the slide, click on this watermark and simply press backspace key in your keyboard. Do the same, and once done you can export this as well. So that's the way to remove the gamma watermark from PPT, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.